How do I use the pedal? Many pianists see it merely as an accessory, but in truth, the pedal is an extension of your sound. Used well, it adds resonance, emotion, and depth. Used poorly, it blurs everything. The right pedal is the sustain. It lifts the dampers, allowing strings to ring freely. The left pedal, known as the una corda, slightly shifts the keyboard to the side, softening and coloring the tone by causing the hammers to strike fewer strings than usual. The middle pedal, the sostenuto, is not used so often, but it holds only selected notes and keeps the not selected notes without pedal. Each one has a role. Use all of them with purpose. Never use the pedal to mask unclear finger work. It doesn't hide. It magnifies. If your playing is muddy, the pedal will make it worse. Finger legato and clarity first, then pedal. In professional practice, it's always recommended to practice without pedal, to train your fingers, and after you mastered the piece without, use pedal to enhance the musical meaning. Great pedaling is rarely binary. Use pedaling or finer versions to control resonance without fully sustaining. Use flutter pedal to refresh harmonies while keeping the sound alive. The foot must be as sensitive as your fingers. The sustain pedal activates overtones and sympathetic resonance. It can add magic or chaos. Always listen to yourself carefully and identify what's the cause of so-called dirt, harmonically speaking. Does the harmony change underneath? If yes, clear the pedal skillfully. Pedal changes are musical decisions, not habits. The pedal, next to your fingerwork, has the power to transform the piano from a percussive instrument into a singing, resonant world. Great composers of the past understood this deeply. They included pedal markings for a reason. But these markings should be interpreted with care as they were written with the instruments of their time in mind. Consider them as musical intentions and thoughtfully adapt them to the sound and capabilities of modern pianos. Control it, color with it, and let it bring your interpretation to life. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.